Ever wondered how we determine the cost to fix a dent like this? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to show you exactly how we estimate a dent using MobileTech RX. It all starts with a thorough visual inspection. We're looking at several key things: the size of the dent, the depth and sharpness, the location, and the type of metal, whether it's steel or aluminum. Each of these factors affect how we approach and repair and price the damage. Once we have our initial assessment, it's time to pull out our MobileTech RX. This is the industry standard software we trust for fast, accurate, and consistent estimates. First, we'll enter the customer's details and basic vehicle information. Then we jump straight into detailing the damage. Here we'll select the affected panel and input the dent's exact size. Next, we describe its depth, sharpness, and whether the dent involves aluminum or challenging body lines. These are just a few factors that add complexity and impact pricing. MobileTech RX also helps us easily account for other important factors, like if we need to remove trim panels or use specialized techniques like glue pulling. We simply add these adjustments, ensuring our estimate accurately reflects the full scope of the work needed. Once everything's entered, we quickly generate a professional, detailed estimate that we can immediately share with our customer. Clear communication means no surprises, and that's how we build trust. So there you have it, the simple, transparent way we estimate dent repairs. Have a dent you're curious about? Call or text us at the number below, or visit us on the web at MidwestAutoDentRepair.com to schedule your estimate. Let's make your car look new again.